Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Nissan Navara ST-X dual cab ute, stock reference number 5338. The shape runs from the 9th month 2005 through to the 12th month 2011. It has a 4 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual, 4-wheel drive transmission. 4 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover with nut bar with all fittings, left hand headlight, left guard has 2 small dents, left power mirror in chrome, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front door has 1 small dent, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear tail light, it has a King's aftermarket canopy with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has a 12-inch straight dent on it. Right front door appears to have no damage, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, twin plug type. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It does have a little bit of wear on the outside base of the right hand seat. Manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.